Boy, do we love this mission. It is a place for old friends, and in this case, the old friends are thoroughbred horses that have retired and found a beautiful place to spend their golden years.
In Kentucky. It's a beautiful place near Georgetown with some of the biggest names in racing. Names like Arson Squad, beautiful horse. And how about Commentator? These are our Throwback Thursday pictures of horses we want to help old friends doing just that.
That's right, a big benefit on Saturday with some bourbon tasting. We're going to get to the bourbon portion of that in just a bit. But first, that mission behind Old Friends. The man who started it all, Michael Bloem. What year was that you started that?
Well, we just celebrated our 10th anniversary.
Because you were a movie critic for the Boston Globe. You would go to the track there, and you loved betting, you loved the horses. But what transitioned you to helping thoroughbreds that retired and making sure they got to spend their end of their lives in some style?
Well, you know, when I was at Suffolk Downs, the problem was I went to work for a trainer because I thought it would make me a better handicapper. Of course, it didn't.
It never does.
It never does. And I fell in love with the horses. And at the end of the day, especially at a track like Suffolk, which isn't Churchill Downs and it's not Saratoga, it's, you know, it's more bottom level racing. When those horses were done racing, I found out that they were going off to places that weren't good for them.
Unpleasant.
Not good results for those horses once they didn't make money.
That's correct.
So you decided to create a sanctuary for them, and what did you do? Did you find a plot of land in Kentucky?
No.
First?
No. I didn't do anything the way you're supposed to do it. I know I didn't. I just started getting horses, and then out of necessity, had to find a place.
They were in his house.
Well,
actually, I do have a miniature horse who does come in my house.
Well, these are some of the pictures now, because
yeah.
I think when I did the story on you a few years back, and you've moved locations, but now you're set, right? Where you are now near
in fact,
Georgetown.
we're expanding.
I think it was about 30-some horses, Michael, and how many are you up to now with retired thoroughbred racing horses?
We have 132.
Oh my
And they earned over $100 million on the racetrack, and they got no Social Security and no 401k.
And hey, brother, when you write movie reviews in newspapers, it doesn't pay $1 zillion a year. So how in the world do you fund this?
Well, you know, we're grateful to people, you know, Woodford Reserve, for example. You know, they give us a huge donation last year when they sold the julep cups, the $1,000 julep cups. We got that money.
Wow.
And that resulted in great homes for 20 additional horses with that donation. So that's what happens. Some of the owners, we have a wonderful horse named Afternoon Delights who is owned by Burt Bacharach. And Burt loves us, and Burt sent us $50,000 when we retired that horse. So that pays up for the ones that really aren't that interested.
Yeah, and your wife came with you, and a shout out to her, because I know you guys moved down here, you started this thing, and it was kind of like it has just really snowballed into this wonderful, wonderful organization.
We've been very, very lucky, yeah. And Diane, I remember when I said to Diane I wanted to move from Cambridge, Massachusetts to Midway, Kentucky, and Diane was a very successful columnist at the Boston Globe for years and years. And I said to her, I said, you know, really, I'd like to try this thing. And she thought about it for a while, and then she came back to me. She says, okay, you have to promise me one thing. And I said, what's that? And she goes, that when I leave you, you won't come looking for me.
Well, she's still with you.
Yeah, she's
and I
still
love
here.
the fact that you're in your second act, and so are these horses, which is full circle for you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rachel.
Hey, Old Friends is in Georgetown, Kentucky.
Yeah, and you can learn more at oldfriendsequine.org.